Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to unarchive Instagram reels. Right, it's very simple. Now the first step to take is to of course open your Instagram app. And once you open your Instagram app just like this, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you tap on that, then the next thing for you to do right here is to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then you have to click on this archive option. Click on that. Now if you click on that, sorry, let me do that again. um, if you click on that for the first time, this is what you're going to get. You're going to see your stories archive right here, right? But if you want to get the reels archive, then you just have to click on the drop down icon at the top. If you click on that right here, you're not going to find reels, okay? But if you click on posts archive, then you get your reels right there. Now here is the reels I archived on my previous video. So if I want to unarchive this reels, I'm sorry, this reel, right, I'm going to have to click on it, and then you get the three dots at the top right corner of this reel. And once you click on that, then right here you get the option to show on profile. So click on the show on profile, and click on confirm that by clicking on the show on profile again, and this is going to be restored on your profile. So let me click on my reels option on my profile and see. So here's it, here's the reel, right? So guys, this is how you can unarchive reel on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.